Hello everyone, welcome back to the Style News Network. If you're new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to take a look at some creative and trendy natural hairstyle ideas. So if you're in the mood to kind of shake up your hair and just try something out of the box, something different, definitely be sure to hit that like button, and of course you want to subscribe for more. So this is our first featured creator. She does have a YouTube channel. She does a lot of very creative hairstyle ideas, and some of the stuff that she comes up with is just like amazing. I'm just shocked by it because she can really do some good braid work. So here she is adding in some twist. And she is using pieces for this particular hairstyle. You can do your own hair if you want to as well. But this is a great option for like a protective style. And I love how she accessorized it too with the little gold accents. So moving on to look number 2. It always amazes me the things that women can do with the long nails. That's totally a side note, but I cannot do anything when I have long nails. When I have long nails, I'm like, I can't type, I can't wash the dishes, I just can't do anything. So kudos to all the women who have long nails and they can actually maneuver and go about life while having them. They look good, I can't do anything when I have them. So she did a cute little protective style with her own hair for that last one. Very cute, perfect everyday style. And then she's going to be doing another hairstyle with her own hair. She does a lot of updos. Love this cute little half up, half down look that she has. And then we move on to the next creator. So I'm not going to pronounce anybody's name in this video because I don't want to butcher it and say the wrong thing. But she's going to be doing a very cute poof, Afro-puff hairstyle. And most of the hairstyles that this particular creator does is with her own hair. So if you are the type of natural who likes to rock your own hair, definitely check out her Instagram, TikTok for more creative ideas because she will definitely have you covered. Look at that cute little afro puff in the back, twist going in the front, accented with the gold pieces. Very pretty style. Her tutorials are pretty easy to follow too. So here she is with the next hair idea. She's using the beaded pieces with this one. Bantu knots at the top. Oh yes, I am loving that style. So creative. Her looks are just bomb. So then we're gonna look from some styles from Only One Jess. This is a pretty easy name to pronounce. I guess I can pronounce this one. So I believe she's going to be using her own hairstyles, or her own hair rather, for these styles. So it looks like she's going to do Afro-puff in the back, maybe some braided pieces going in the front. Now I can do some mean twists, but they never come out looking like that juicy and like perfect. Like I swear these creators are able to just make their twists. Ooh, that is such a cute style and so simple. Ponytail puff with twist in the front, accented with gold pieces. That look was definitely a vibe. It's great because that is a simple style, even though I do need to work on perfecting my twists in order to like really amplify that look. It's a cute little everyday style though. And you can wear that look for going out too. So then we have another half up, half down style. So she did like French braids at the top. So if you guys haven't done so already, please be sure to hit that like button as well as subscribe for more black hairstyle ideas. I will be featuring natural styles, longer styles, shorter styles, which is really popular in this channel, and everything in between. So definitely be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more. So she's adding in some weave for this one and doing a ponytail. Oh, I love how she added the French braids in the front. So pretty. So here are some more looks from her Instagram. Loving this beaded hairstyle. So cute. Alright you guys, that's going to be it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.